Hi there, it's Andre here, and we're going to learn about how to say hello or how are you in different settings in French. So let's get into it, shall we? So, when talking about the setting, we are referring to either formal or informal setting. The first one that we're going to address today is going to be the formal setting. So, when you meet someone, maybe you are going for an interview, or maybe you want to, let's say, give a call to a certain company. You would say, for example, "Nice to meet you," right? Which in French is going to be "Enchanté de faire votre connaissance." Okay, so repeat after me. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Second one that you may use, so you do not repeat yourself, especially at the end, you may use it. Ravi de faire votre connaissance. It means the same thing. Also, you may be required at some point to prove that you can write an email or anything like that, and it would be nice, especially if you are working with French partners, to address them properly. So it's going to be either Monsieur or Madame, which would mean you would use Monsieur when addressing to a male person. It is the equivalent of Mister in English, or Madame, which is the equivalent of Miss.